Hi Chunling, I'm going to make a video to give you feedback on your summary of shyness because I think it will be easier for me to talk you through it, and then you can watch the video and ask questions if you have them. Okay, so good. You have a header. On your final you want to put the date, and your final draft must be typed. Good. You have a title, and according to shyness, make sure you capitalize the article name, writing Academic English 4th edition, not editor. Okay. And then here, author, well, you're going to need the article the, because it's a specific author, but again, there are two. Okay, the authors, and then agree your verb, want to tell us shyness is very common. Okay, so issue is a countable noun, so if you're going to put is a very common issue, comma, and you could use a pronoun instead of repeating authors, and they also tell us the factors of causing shyness are biological and environmental. Okay, so you do not need this preposition, just the factors causing shyness are biological and environmental. Okay. All right, so at this point, in your summary, you're going to need to provide at least a sentence for each body paragraph in the essay. So there are 8 paragraphs in the essay, and each one must be included in the summary. Okay, so I'm just going to put a tick mark here, okay, and say, please start summarizing each body, oops, not body, body paragraph in the essay here, okay? And then, okay, so this, in addition, author, so this would be paragraph 7. Author tells us that shyness has both negative and positive consequences. So this isn't quite accurate, because if you look at paragraph 7, really the emphasis is not on the negative of shyness, but it's on shyness having some positive consequences. Okay, so you might want to explain that more clearly and give a little example, because your summary should make sense to somebody who hasn't read the article. So if I say shyness sometimes has positive consequences, I need to give an example, such as blah, blah, blah. Okay? And then, so for the conclusion paragraph, you want to find the main idea of the original article, which is paragraph 8. And it isn't really that shyness is increasing or that shy people are increasing. In the essay, as I recall, the author restates the main idea, which is a very common thing to do in an essay. You restate the main idea in slightly different words. Now I'm going to try to pull up my example notes here in this video. Okay, so I hope you're looking now at my notes, but please use my notes as an outline. Okay, so here begins my notes, and I say paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 4. So use this as an outline to revise your summary, because you're going to have to explain all of these ideas. Okay, and again, my notes go all the way to the end of the article. All right, I hope that's helpful. Thank you.